If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle, as well as from your own. Life is a series of experiences, each one of which makes us bigger, even though sometimes it is hard to realize this. For the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. There is one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality of goods possible, at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. A business absolutely devoted to service will have only one worry about profits. They will be embarrassingly large. A market is never saturated with a good product, but it is very quickly saturated with a bad one. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. Business is never so healthy as when, like a chicken, it must do a certain amount of scratching around for what it gets. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. What's right about America is that although we have a mess of problems, we have great capacity, intellect and resources to do something about. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Wealth, like happiness, is never attained when sought after directly. It comes as a byproduct of providing a useful service. You will find men who want to be carried on the shoulders of others, who think that the world owes them a living. They don't seem to see that we must all lift together and pull together. We don't want tradition. We want to live in the present. And the only history that is worth a tinker's damn is the history we make today. I believe God is managing affairs and that He doesn't need any advice from me. With God in charge, I believe everything will work out for the best.